I am Engine Cadet Ramas and I'll be discussing about climate change.
I'm Engine Cadet Estrada who will be discussing pollution and advancement.
I am Engine Cadet Mungada. I will be discussing about the essence of good life.
I'm Engine Cadet Alquiza and I'm discussing biodiversity in the healthy society.
I am Engine Cadet Luzon discussing when technology and humanity cross.
This playground is fun today. Kids play here and kids laugh here. But in 20 years, will still it even be safe? Climate change is hitting our planet. Cebu is getting hotter every year. You see the single plastic? This can worsen the climate change. More floods, stronger typhoons, and hotter days that burns to your skin. We cause this problem, but we can fix it too. Plant trees, walk, or even bike more. Save electricity at home and say no to plastic.
Humanity didn't advance in a straight line. It jumped. 10,000 years ago, we plant seeds. 300 years ago, steam changed everything. One engine did the work of 100 men.
Hey everyone. Today we will talk about a question as old as time. What does it mean to have a good life? It's about finding balance, practicing genuine kindness, and taking responsibility of our own actions. Now let's keep pursuing that better version of ourselves. In our world today, it's easy to get distracted by material things. But according to Aristotle, a good life isn't just about comfort. It's about living in good spirit and true excellence. A good life is a daily habit of choosing virtue over convenience.
Imagine a world without pollinators, or a forest that filters our air, or trees to feed our communities. When ecosystem collapse, human health follows. But when we protect nature, we protect our own future. That's a world without biodiversity. Biodiversity gives us medicine, clean water, climate balance, and food security. When ecosystem collapse, human health follows. But when we protect nature, we protect our own future. Because society can only be as healthy as the environment it lives in. Save biodiversity, save ourselves.
Every day, and technology and humanity and changes each other forever. Progress is not just about what we build, it's about how we use it. When technology and humanity cross, the future is shaped not by machine, but our value, our choice, and by our heart. Thank you for listening and watching. I hope you have learned something about climate change,
About pollution and advancement, essence of a good life,
Biodiversity in a healthy society.
the humanity and technology.
thank you.